Yeah.
First to two.
Yeah, it's first to two.
First to two.
Okay, 99 seconds or 60 seconds?
99 seconds.
Okay, 50 points.
And dan
Random stage.
Random stage.
Yeah, okay.
99.
99.
50.
Charlock or Charlock?
Charlotte.
Vessel, Energia,
Energia. It's the...
Costa.
No, it's not Costa, it's
Biaggi.
Biaggi. Loris Biaggi. Loris.
Loris
Loris Biaggi. Yes, Energia.
Klaus!
Oh, of course. The German goes with Klaus Wessel. It's Klaus Wessel. Or?
It's Klaus.
It's Klaus.
Raketenwurf.
Raketenwurf. Kraft. Ouch.
Besiegen.
Gewonnen.
Yes.
Niet gewonnen, dat zijn ronden.
So,
Now let's see.
Germany on the left.
We got the
Get
UK.
ready.
Or maybe do we switch after it? Because
I think so too.
Oh, it's Zora. It's right. It's Zora is playing. So
Okay, Zora is playing.
Zora is playing for Luxembourg and the UK, Germany.
Here we go.
Ooh, 3 points.
Bit sleepy here. Zora.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Get him.
pretty long set.
Shit. He didn't take.
Come on, let's go.
Good point.
Okay, 2 points.
Okay, 2 points. Imagine.
Good action. Aye.
3 points.
Oh, that
5, 6.
was right.
Ooh, mistake.
The mix-up.
Mistakes we made.
Thanks, Romain. You're getting
The
punished.
non-mix-up mix-up.
Okay, Kunan.
Okay.
Ooh, 5 points, and Zora is in the lead.
In the ring.
Oh man. Ooh, for Luxembourg.
Watch your goal.
15, and that's it. That's it.
Does that count? 1-0.
Set. Get ready.
First set goes to Luxembourg.
3 points.
Starting strong.
3 points.
Ooh, definitely some shorter sets here.
5 points.
Looking kind of free, I don't know. Was he really German? I don't know. Nice. Aye, 5 points.
Oh, the comeback?
The comeback? I don't know.
I'm just saying this because of the commentator's curse.
It's not over until it's over. It's Windjammers, baby.
Ooh, now we got the energy.
Yeah.
What does the UK man say?
I don't know. To be honest.
Never play. Ooh, Kraft.
First to two.
Game set.
Every game is first to 2.
Like always.
Gotta adapt.
La revanche.
Sticking with characters.
Now for random stage.
Is he sticking? Yeah.
Do we see a character switch?
Oh. Who's switching character?
I don't know.
Win a stage with this character, or can you change as well?
You can change everything you want.
Okay. Even the winner. Yeah, so yeah.
Get ready.
I don't know.
Now
No,
you
you Japan.
Here we go.
Here we go. Aye.
Here we go. And he says, here we go. Neither corners are 5 points.
Ooh, good catch.
Here we go.
Really fast. Here we go.
This year hurt. That's where his super comes in hand.
5 points again. Don't split him up.
They don't need the 3 points.
Okay.
Set. Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Supersonic shoot. Here we go. Supersonic shoot.
Aye, 5 points. Again, yeah. Oh, nice.
Right back at you. Right back at you. Gotta watch the corners though. That was bad.
Donation. We donated that.
Ah, this frisbee is kind of slippery. Should happen.
nice catch.
Here we go.
Here we go. There you go. For the corner. Almost match point.
Good show.
That was good.
Got him.
1-1. Set count.
Get ready.
Final set.
3 points.
Oh, what are you doing?
Mistakes were made.
Foot first.
Nice.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Caution.
Nice.
This time.
Pull up. Nice. No! Okay.
It's only 2 points. Don't get stressed out about it.
Damn. Mixed up himself.
3 points.
Right back at you. Almost even.
11. Almost.
That was close.
Really close.
5 points in the guts.
That wasn't close at all.
No!
Get it back. 13-14. Next point wins.
Next point wins.
Even the 2 points is enough.
Nice catch. Come on. 5 points. 5 points. Luxembourg, first game.
Game set.
Okay. We are going to change. Every game is now first to one only. First to one, not first to two.
We got a schedule.
Stepping up, Mr. Pringles himself.
Mr. Pringle.
Justy Pringles. Going a bench.
They do Germany justice.
I don't know.
I think you hope so.
I hope it will. Last time it was kind of
Get
wash.
ready.
I don't know.
You know? You've had Luxembourg, you should say.
I don't know. Okay, now he's already picking the right character. Mr.
Ooh, Klaus
Veteran.
Bassel.
3 points.
I think Klaus has a little bit of an advantage on this stage.
I know.
No, he hits hard.
Yeah, I think the UK character is kind of weak on the side because it's super corner only.
Yeah.
And the 5 points are in the center.
So we'll see. We'll see what Sora has to offer.
In the back. 3 points.
3 points. He's back in the game.
3 points.
Again.
Again.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Green shoot.
Nice.
Hey! Ooh, we got even a 5 point.
Nice. Okay, 3 points. We take those.
3 points.
Again, okay.
Again. Pretty even at the moment, I would say.
Nice.
No craft. Come on. Now with the craft.
back.
Super sonic shoot.
Oh, important.
3 points.
Nice stuff.
Next point wins.
Gotta protect that. Ooh, good catch.
Ooh, and it is.
Almost.
Very close for Luxembourg.
It's okay. First round is later. First round is later. You gotta know the habits.
3 points.
Just watch it fly by.
That's kind of struggling there. Maybe a little stop and joke for him. I don't know. Looking kind of sloppy.
He's slow. That's his weak point. Ooh, there it is.
5 points.
It's a vertical shot.
Get it.
That's a good ball.
Again, in the back.
Ooh, he let it drop.
2 points.
Drop the frisbee.
Damn, don't drop the silver.
3 points.
Nice, 8-8. This match is pretty even.
That's
It's
pretty
very
even.
entertaining to watch.
Ooh, many mistakes in both sets.
3 points.
Oh no,
Luxembourg with a match point.
so we're on match point. But never count out Klaus Wessel.
Here we go.
You got it. Ooh, nice.
You got you.
Nice. Nice.
We brought it
14,
back.
14. Gotta have a tie break.
Next point wins.
Not like this.
The slow down, the delay.
The non-mix-up, mix-up.
Yeah, that's the second point for Luxembourg. Ja, das war schon.
Ja, weil dauert jetzt zu lang. Okay. Luxembourg goes up. 2-0. Nein, kein Best of 3. Sora looking kind of strong.
Yeah.
Next up, Pascal Möder, Percival Jackson himself.
Let's see, so that's the third player for Germany.
Okay. He had time to watch Sora play,
Collect the data.
collect the data. Looking kind of free.
Get in the strats.
Picking Japan.
Get ready.
So we have,
Oh damn.
well, disqualified.
Mind games.
3-0 for Luxembourg.
Next player.
Nah, it's okay, it's okay. Everything is good here in Game Land.
Next stage. Looking kind of normal.
It's a big stage with 5 points in the middle.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh, that's licked right out.
Ooh, right back at you. In the back. Ooh, okay. It happens.
It happens.
Still in the lead.
It's only 2 points.
It's only 5 points.
No lead there. Ooh, and
Right back
five,
at you.
5 points right back edge.
Okay, Sora answering back.
Kind of a back and forth.
Ooh,
Again. Next point wins. Who's gonna be Germany or Luxembourg? Who's those?
Okay, Sora with the clutch.
Very, very knap. Very
ready.
close. But still, Sora looking very strong in this game. Which kind of surprises me too because he doesn't play this game.
I don't
That
even
much.
play the game.
Ooh,
3
that
points.
was
6-0.
Supersonic shoot.
Ow.
the supersonic shoot.
Ooh, it looked kind of weird.
And it's wind jumps. Everything can happen.
Okay,
9.
closing the gap. Ooh, pointing with the finger. Ooh, the mixer. Mixers.
Here we go.
Ooh, got it. Here we go. Ooh. Nice. That's important. These long exchanges win them.
It really looks like Germany can get the set.
Nice.
Supersonic shoot. Here we go.
Here we go.
Supersonic shoot.
Ooh.
Hey.
Nice.
Ooh, nice curve. Nice curve.
5 points.
Nice curve, and then again 5 points. That hurts.
Big point.
That must have hurt.
Ooh, goes for the up.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go again.
Ooh, nice. Strong defense. Ooh. Answering back. 1-1.
That's a draw. That's
We got a game.
Last set
Get ready.
decides the game. Let's see. Again with the point.
Supersonic shoot.
No look.
5 points. What you're doing.
Straight to 5. Give me 5. Oh, doesn't give me 3.
Give me 3. Ooh, good D. Ooh.
Supersonic
This is
shoot.
the end of Sora.
Maybe, kind of looks like it.
Look like the first point for Germany.
But you know,
But I don't want to jinx it.
I want to jinx it.
I know. Still 5
It's
points.
commentator's curse.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Supersonic shoot.
Ooh, good D. Hey!
First match for
That's
Germany.
first for Germany.
Set. Game set.
Game set. Percival with the comeback. Putting Germany on the board. Who's next?
Who's next here in this game?
Get over here.
Who's the Luxembourger?
Who's that guy?
It's Eric, aka Dizzy, representing Luxembourg. Don't disappoint. The people are watching. But no pressure.
No pressure at all.
No pressure.
Getting kicked out on the venue. No pressure. Okay, going with Jordi Costa.
Okay. Spain versus Japan
Get ready.
in Luxembourg versus Germany match.
And El Clasico of Windjam.
Only in Windjammers.
Oh, good catch. Oh, he didn't believe. He didn't believe.
The delayed wake up. Again.
Again.
Meet
Now he drops it.
Right in the rear. Watch your back. The mixer.
That was the wrong direction.
Okay. Kind of sloppy.
Oh, perfecto. Perfecto.
Ooh, good D. Pascal, very well, really strong defense. Nice.
Ooh, nice curve.
Still,
This super is really kind of dirty. Kind of dirty.
really is.
Kind of dirty. Nice. Back
Big
in the game.
answer.
He's still there.
Big points.
Nice. Nice catch. Ooh, and then again with the zigzag.
Zigzag.
set.
Zig to the zag.
Get ready.
First set goes to Germany. Do we see a comeback from Germany? Nice.
With straight. 6-0. Okay, delays it. First points.
Back in the game.
Quick answer. The dirty stuff.
There it is. Oh, it wasn't 5 points. That's okay.
Still, next one wins. If he doesn't drop it.
Come on, Eric. Ooh, 5 points. Back in the game.
Big points, big points.
Come on, man. Everything is
And
possible.
that's it.
There it is. There it is.
And tie it up.
Set. Game set.
Yeah, that's a set. Here, go Serge. Yeah, that's it.
No.
No, it's a line. No, it's not. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Jag tog nation.
So, 2-2. We got a tie. Bring the next. So, who's stepping up for Luxembourg?
So now it's a draw, 2-2. And we have Zach,
Zach?
aka Ralph.
Right.
Ralph.
So, first we're looking strong. 2 games. On a winning
Where's
streak.
anybody back?
Ooh, we got a mirror match.
Now Luxembourg has the pressure. We are at home. They don't have to disappoint.
Got to defend home turf.
Get
Ah, yeah.
ready.
And now the classic stage. Welcome to the beach.
We have Japan versus Japan. Who's the better Japan? Ooh, 5 points. That hurts. Strong. Ooh, then again.
Answering back.
Give me 5.
Yeah, you got 5. You want 5, you have 5.
Should I be careful what I wish for?
Don't drop the soap.
2 points.
Because you're gonna get booed.
He drops it
2
again.
points.
Big mistake there.
Come on, man.
That was 5. Okay, it's okay.
It's okay. You only need 3.
I don't complain.
Only complain when it is not enough. So first set goes to Germany again. Now let's see. Ooh. That was definitely a 5. Don't give me that look.
Don't give me that look. No. Harada's fingers moving. Email Harada now.
Email Mr. Windjammer.
Good defense.
Email Keiko.
I don't.
That was clear. That's 3, man. We'll give you that. I'm not in the lead. So it's all good.
We got King of Fighters headbox now. Big 3 points. Okay, next one wins.
So that should slowly wake up. And the supersonic shot.
Big 5 points. That's it. I don't know. Looking kind of free.
Game set.
It's not over till it's over, man. It's
It's
not
what
over.
Jim has made.
3-2.
Who's stepping up?
Who's stepping up for Luxembourg now?
Ooh, I don't think so. He's had enough.
Oh, it's Rad.
Rad, big man, Rad himself. He had enough.
It's,
He's like,
it's like, nah, man.
no man, don't give me that look.
It's time for that Loris Biaggi. It's time for Energia.
No, Energia himself.
We want some Energia up in this beer.
Damn. But I don't think.
Come on. Take Loris. Forza! There it is.
Percival's gonna stop him.
Get ready.
The statement.
I don't know.
The trash talk. Ooh, Energia. There it is, Energia.
Ooh, good defense. Ooh, nice.
There was no energy at all. Ooh, nice. Tiro verticale.
Going to the straight. Good defense. Pascal looking strong. Ooh, good catch.
It's a very long set,
That's
man.
a long set. Ooh, the curve. That's important.
That was la curvatura. Ooh, it is Energia. È verticale. Oh, verticale. Oh,
La puta madre.
that is Spanish.
Oh no. Shit. He's in a... Don't give me that.
It's the same shit.
I'm innocent.
There it is. 12-6.
Okay.
Ooh, there it is. First set goes to Rad.
Okay.
Energia seems to work.
I don't know.
Get ready.
Yeah, kind of warm now. Ooh, he's gonna go for the lock. Oh, don't let him.
There it is. Oh, super rotant.
How was that? 5 points?
But it was 5. We got Berlusconi. That was 5-2, by the way.
I don't know.
Game set no.
No?
Energia verticale. Verticale. With the super punch. Okay, nice.
And again.
Ooh, nice.
Big five.
Nice. Back in the game.
Ooh, drop the mix up. Ooh, what up?
Oh no.
Okay, it's 2 points. It's 2 points. It's okay.
Ah, it's 2 points.
Getting 5
More than
now.
Germany. Oh, 3 points now.
Okay, match point.
Oh, Energia. There it is. Energia verticale. And there it is. The Tiro verticale.
Set. Game.
Big game, big game.
And Luxembourg is back in the game. Back in the league.
We got free. Okay, who's Germany setting? Big nuts.
Who's the German warrior?
N-A-Z.
NAC.
Big nuts. Big nuts.
Nas.
Nuts.
Nas.
Himself. The big man.
Nas with a class. He says.
So,
There it is. Fight stick. Like old school
of
times.
course, we are representing. Like, if we would play in arcades, we would all would have won.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Bad players.
Whatever makes you happy, man.
I don't know.
Whatever makes you happy.
Everything.
Get ready.
So,
Oh, another big
we're in-
stage.
Wrestle.
Ooh, Raketenboot. Oh, also a bit tricky, the Raketenboot.
Yeah, Raketenboot is not really that
Oh, with the shit.
big thing.
It's right, mix up. Nein!
Ooh, the shimmy.
Nice.
2 points.
Taking advantage of Klaus. Slowly.
Ooh, good straight. Energia. Ooh, go slide.
Verticale does the trick. Again, nice back and forth. Right now. That was kind of gifted. Oh, then again with Energia. Tiro rotante. There it is.
Oh, he's fishing. Big straight. Next one wins.
Raising it. Ooh,
Big
nice.
defense. Nice. Going for the love again.
Nice, that was nice. That was the Luxembourgish trap.
There. Close set.
Get
That
ready.
was really close. That was really close. Now it's set 2. Everything can happen in Windjammers. We know that.
Go for it again. Good catch. Nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
Ooh, going for the love yourself.
Gotta catch it.
Damn. Gotta catch them all. Big free.
Big exchange of the threes.
And again.
And then again, 3-3. 6-6. Will it be 9-9 next time? 9-6.
Big foul. Too slow. Oh no. Big.
No energia. Wanna hear him say energia. There it is, energia. Tiro vortice.
We gotta step forward.
Tiro vortice in the joke. Ooh, nice curve, and that is it. This is it.
Taking the lead again. 4-3.
Game, set.
Who's Germany semi? Who's next? I don't see.
Where's it?
Mieleman.
Milman.
Milman. Straight on the 8 mile. So.
Again.
Control disconnected. We have one. No, we're not. Shit.
His controller is disconnected.
Yeah.
Some technical difficulties.
Mirror match.
Ooh, mirror match. Two Loris Biaggi.
Loris. Who got the best energy?
Let's find out.
Get ready.
Sorry. Gotta keep my composure.
Keep a composing Windjammer? I don't think so. Ooh, oh, the shit.
That was definitely 5 points.
Oh, Verticale. Verticale does it.
I was free to take those.
Ooh, nice, that was it. Yes. Don't give me that look, man. Don't give me that look. That was 5. Give me 5 this time. Give me 5. Energia. Vortice.
Nice!
Come again.
Energia!
Attention, man.
Energia!
Again. Ooh, no. Ooh, 5 points. Ooh, this might have hurt.
Set.
A nice exchange there between Rob and Mieleman.
Oh no, you gotta catch those.
Gotta catch those. Energia, tiro vortice, tiro vortice back at you. 3 points.
8-3. Big lead.
Luxembourg with the response. Ooh, no, energia. Ooh.
No, big lead.
Nice curve, nice curve.
Energia!
The opposite direction.
And again,
Energia.
you gotta read. Ooh, no, get up. Energia again.
Ooh, that was a super roccante.
Take this. My man. No, what you doing?
Ooh, 11-12. Everything can happen. 1-1.
Set. Get
One.
ready.
Come on, Rad.
Let's go, Milan.
Verticale.
Energia!
No!
Take the energy on. Don't play with your food.
Let's get it.
Aye.
Non so bad. Energia. No energia over there.
Oh, don't wait too high. Energia! No! Okay, take those.
Alexandria. Ooh, 5 points. Ooh, 11-0.
Big points.
Rock looking kind of strong on himself. Ooh, same measure. 2-0.
That look 2-5.
Set.
That was strong.
Game,
Sweet
set.
16.
5-3 or 4-3? 5-3 now.
Yeah, Luxembourg is already at 5.
We still have 3 players.
Who's Germany's response to that?
That guy, Chimera.
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 It's him, it's that guy.
That
This
guy.
Chimera.
It's not Chimera, it's that guy.
So we got a run back from Hessen Crash, Frankfurt.
Frankfurt.
Shout out.
Shout out to those guys. So, who'll be rocking? Big guy vessel.
Rod is rocking with Loris Biaggi. Always will. Always has.
Oh, big guy, Klaus Vessel.
Ah, we got Italy versus Germany. Also a classic.
Also a classic. El Clasico.
Get ready.
The first stage to reach.
Aye! Yo, big 3 points. Starting with me. Big position.
Oh, the partnership.
Who gets it? Wow, big points.
Oh, nice.
Too many muscles.
What's still awake? Energia. To get it. Energia. Rotante. No, lucky.
Nice stuff.
Energia.
Energia again.
Oh, the vertical and it's draw again.
Down for the bottom. Oh, don't fuck it. Catch it.
Oh, that looks up.
Ooh, big 3. 9-9.
9-9. Everything can happen now. Nice 5 point lead.
Good deep.
Energia.
Energia, there it is. Vortice. Supersonic.
Nice. Match point. Match point. Ooh, good defense. Oh, big exchange.
Nice.
Ooh, the shimmy.
2 points.
Everything can happen. Nice 5 points for
5 points
Luxembourg.
for Luxembourg.
Well, we gotta watch the time.
And there is
I said it.
the big 5.
Set. Get
First set goes
ready.
to Luxembourg, but it
But
was
with the
very
fact that I
close.
say to your head.
It was a very close match.
Damn.
Energia.
I have fun. Damn. He didn't even know.
He mixed up himself.
Energia.
Energia, there it is.
Energia. Good catch. Come on, Klaus.
There it is, the rocket
In the net.
That dirty behavior rocket move. Rocket move. Rocket again.
Ooh, big 5.
Ah, that hurts. That hurts.
Energia.
Energia, oh, with the corner. Yes, nice. The corner is your friend with Biaggi.
Energia.
Energia, there it is. Verticale. Ooh, good deep.
Nice, big. That was definitely 5 points.
Yeah. Good save those.
Set point.
Energia.
But 1 5-pointer. And 30 points.
Ooh, that was 5, but okay. Iman Harada.
Good deep.
Nice
In the
change.
back.
Gotta get up, man.
Aye. No. Don't do me like this.
Next point wins.
Don't do me like this.
Ooh, that was close too. Nice. And Luxembourg takes the lead
We
again.
went for straight, but it's okay. Good showing. 6-3. Who's next? Me? Okay. I gotta show him. I gotta go put them kids in these places.
Good luck, man. And we have that Chimera.
Damn.
It was a very close match.
Yeah. Fuck that shit.
So 6-3 to Luxembourg now.
Yeah. Very close.
How are you feeling about that, man?
I'm very sad about that. But okay, yeah.
In a way, I'm not sad at all, you know?
Get ready.
Yeah, but Germany is really putting some great matches. That's really good.
Lost 3 times and send your best, the best player in it. It's kind of disappointing.
I mean, everything can happen in the winter.
Yeah.
Energia versus Energia. Ooh, nice.
Oh, nice defense. Oh,
Oh, the mix-up.
oh, it's yours.
And again, showed verticale.
Nice counter.
The vortice. Oh, don't drop the soap, man. Always telling people not to drop the soap and he does it. And he does it. And again.
Meet.
What?
2 points.
Gotta catch those.
Nice.
Back with the response. And again, nice back and forth. 7-6. Everything can happen. 7-9.
Okay. Oh, nice defense. Wonderful lob.
Yeah.
30 seconds on the clock.
Dirty. What with the dirty shit?
Next point closing it out for Luxembourg.
Whoa. Next point also for Germany then. There it is.
Special, but nice block. And again, the counter. Counter again. What is happening? Oh, the damn lob.
First set to Luxembourg. So,
Don't share it, don't share it. It never happened.
the mind games.
Get ready.
Rob calling for disqualification, but no. No, not here at Gameland.
Oh, in the bag.
Energia, tiro vortice again.
Oh. Vamos, vamos, vamos!
Nice. Nice draw for the moment. And again with the ropes.
Can do it.
Just missed it.
Oh, the mind games.
Ooh, that was super attack.
Too hard. Alright. 9-9.
Everything can happen.
Oh, 4-5!
Ah, this hurts. This kind of hurts. When I get 12, it's not that bad either. Next point wins.
Next point decided.
Except for the...
Ooh, in the bag!
What you doing? What you doing?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
30 seconds on the clock. Get it?
Nice defense.
Oh, now
Both players. Oh!
with the fingertips.
Set.
Double tapping that shit!
Ready.
But it's not over till it's over, man. The wind jams. It is wind jam.
Oh,
Them loops.
nice.
Nice response from Zero.
The equalizer.
Energia. Ooh, nice. Ooh, at the 5 points. And the 5.
Reacted with a lob to close the net move.
Nice response from Zero.
The quick answer. Good defense. And he goes the long way. Next 3 points will decide it for Germany.
Come on.
Oh, the super move, the lob, and the counter. Very close match.
Nice.
Whoa.
Luxembourg is still in there.
One more match point. 30 seconds on the clock. And the super. Whoa! Next!
Nice one from Rab. But that's the 4th point to Germany. Who's next for Luxembourg?
Badji is begging for mercy.
Did we already decide?
So who's next?
Who's next player for Luxembourg?
Strongest player eliminated. Next, please.
Oh, we got a last-minute exchange. We got Kane Ran, who doesn't run away from this challenge. You're my man. Also a Windjammers veteran
Yeah?
at our Fightcade evenings.
Oh, damn.
So he knows what he's doing. He's going with his signature character, Hiromimita.
We will see.
Get ready.
Good luck, Kane Ran. Make Luxembourg proud. Ooh, the bumpers. You know the bumpers.
Now we got bumpers. Are you ready? Oh, you can see my frisbee.
There was never 5 points, by the way, but I'll give you that. This was also 5 points, but okay. We made Mr. Windjammer.
Yeah. Oh. 5 again.
5 points. Ooh. Come on, man.
Okay. Oh, nice defense.
Nice. Ooh, the bumper works a little bit.
Bumper.
What you doing, bumper? Come on, man. Nice, nice.
Okay,
Come
okay,
on,
okay.
man. He's back in the game.
Oh, the bumpers made in Germany. Okay, nice defense. Oh, that hurts.
That shit must have. Come on, man. First
What
one
is
is data.
happening?
Come on, man. First one is data. Nice, nice.
Oh, for 5. That's not fair.
Corners made in Luxembourg.
Email Keikun.
Come on, man. It wasn't 5. It's not that bad. Woo.
Whoa, nice spin.
Get up. Get it.
Good defense.
Use the bumpers, man. Bumpers are your friend.
Nice. Oh, the black frisbee.
Luxembourg still in the lead.
Oh,
11-9.
bumpers party.
Come on, man. 1 point, man.
Yes,
Nice.
frame drops.
Set.
It's in the game. 1-1.
Ready.
Oh.
Shit happens.
4-3.
Don't let it get to your head.
The bumpers are on.
Come on, man. Nice 5 points.
Good winner, good winner, good winner, good winner, good winner, good winner. Good block. Oh, nice.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Ooh, nice 5 points. And Luxembourg back at it. Ooh, now with the lead.
The bumpers. Okay.
Come on, man.
Oh, the lob.
Come on, it's 2 points. It's 2 points.
The equalizer. Nice. Oh, what a nice defense.
Looking kind of close right here.
Next point will decide it for Germany. Whoa, the defense.
Nice.
Young man reactions.
Nice with the 5 points.
Oh,
Yes.
what a comeback.
Game set.
Nice play from Kano Rand. And that's the 7th points for Luxembourg.
Last man standing, Germany. Macho Man Mo will enter the ring.
Oh, it's last. Down to the last character. Down.
Can he defend the pride of Germany? World is watching, but no pressure.
The whole nation is watching Macho Man Mo. 7-4 for Luxembourg. Germany's last stand. Last
Get
stand.
ready.
Macho
Last stand.
Man Mo against Kano Rand from Luxembourg. 3 points. Starting strong.
Good start.
Energy, there it is.
Good defense.
Again, same stage as last time. Ooh, like a dirty super from Hiromi Mita. Ooh, looking very strong for Kano Rand. 9-0.
Okay, now we got the first point on the table. Oh, wait for 5.
Nice confidence boost from Mo here.
We have a game now.
Nice. 12. Give me a 2 points.
Nice.
2 points for Macho Man Mo.
12-11.
Nice.
Oh,
The message with the 5
Please
points.
fix that damn hurt box.
Emil Keku. Ooh, nice.
Come on, Machimemo. Lucky. Lucky 3 points.
And lucky 3 points, right back. Ooh, the bumpers. Watch out for the bumpers. Bumpers ain't random.
Nice.
Ooh, nice. Nice 5.
Come on, man.
To get back in the game. Ooh, the bumpers. Ooh, nice. Nice catch from Machimemo. Ooh.
Lucky defense.
Lucky defense. 3 points.
Okay, next point. We close it out for Luxembourg. But now is it?
Germany is back.
No!
And this is it.
Set. Game
I'm so sad.
I'm not sad at all. Luxembourg get the second match.
Yeah.
Windjammers event show match is decided for Luxembourg.
8-4.
How you feeling, man?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm feeling kind of great.
I don't know
you
what to say.
I'm feeling kind of great. I'm very happy right now.
I had so much hope that Germany can finally win against Luxembourg, but yeah,
You know,
it ain't happened.
there's always next time. There's always next
Yeah.
Hessen Crash. There's always next Game Land. You know,
Yeah.
some other events.
Okay, it's on.
next?
Next
It's
Hessen
on.
Crash. We will see you in Frankfurt. And maybe we should put some money on the line then.
Maybe. Or maybe some high quality beer.
High-
you know,
high quality beer.
German beer, you
Yeah.
know. Because there's one thing that Germans can do better than Luxembourg. It's not Windjammers, but it's beer.
Okay, I'm out now.
Okay.
We see you next time. Be prepared. Frankfurt, next Gameland, Gameland 3, Windjammers hype. Let's get it on. Have a nice evening.
Thanks for the commentary, man.